FlexJobs Freelancer Platform Review, Usage Experience. In this video, I'll be reviewing FlexJobs, a platform designed specifically for remote work and flexible job opportunities. Links to FlexJobs and their services are in the description below. FlexJobs is tailored for professionals seeking remote, part-time, freelance, or flexible jobs across a wide range of industries, including tech, writing, customer service, marketing, and more. The platform focuses on providing high-quality, vetted job listings to help users avoid scams and low-quality opportunities often found on other platforms. One of FlexJobs' standout features is its strict job vetting process. Every job listing on the site is manually screened to ensure it's legitimate, which significantly reduces the risk of scams. This makes FlexJobs a reliable resource for freelancers and job seekers looking for trustworthy opportunities. Another major feature is its advanced search filters, which allow users to easily find remote jobs that match their skill set, experience, and preferred work schedule. This level of customization makes FlexJobs an excellent option for people looking for work-life balance. For freelancers, FlexJobs offers a subscription-based model with a range of membership options, each providing access to job listings, resources, and tools. Memberships come with added benefits, such as access to career coaching, resume reviews, and skills testing to help you stand out to potential clients. While there is a subscription fee, it provides access to high-quality, exclusive job listings, making it a worthwhile investment for those serious about finding reliable freelance work. Additionally, FlexJobs offers a user-friendly platform with job alerts, an intuitive dashboard, and detailed job descriptions to help you make informed decisions before applying. They also provide an extensive resource library, including webinars, articles, and job search tips to support your career development. In conclusion, FlexJobs is an excellent platform for professionals seeking remote and flexible job opportunities. With its commitment to quality job listings, robust search tools, and additional resources, FlexJobs stands out as one of the most reliable platforms for finding legitimate freelance work. Check out the links in the description for more details, and feel free to share your experiences with FlexJobs in the comments below.